Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Gym. Today I am going to teach you how to convert black and white image into colored image. So let's start. Open any browser and search on Google Hotpot AI. Click on first link. Here select this option colored black and white photos. Now select photo that you want to make color. I don't have any black and white photo, so I'm gonna download any random black and white photo from Google. See, I'm selecting this black and white photo. Click here to upload your photo. Now click Colorize. It will automatically convert black and white photo into colored photo. See the difference between two photos. Left photo is black and white photo that I uploaded and right photo that converted by side. You can also convert your old black and white photo into colored photo in just seconds. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and for latest updates.